Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Up first this evening, a hospital is now under scrutiny after an autistic patient was allegedly raped by a hospital worker.
The teen victim has been left traumatized, and as Shamela Pullen now reports, her mother says she will stop at nothing to get justice for her child.
A mother is heartbroken. To protect her identity, we will call her Joy. Joy says her 17-year-old daughter was allegedly raped at hospital, where she's been receiving treatment from last week.
I went there Saturday, 12/21. And I went there Saturday. My daughter was not at her bedside. She was placed at the back of the ward. And her bed was near the back. You have a back door there. They're placed right there. She was placed at the back of the ward. When I went there, I couldn't find her. I was looking for her. So I tell the nurse, wait, jump up and start looking for her as well. When I went back out to the back stairs, I see her coming from upstairs. So she ran and come hug me up and said she's crying, that the person upstairs has raped her. He's in the bathroom and it's a worker there.
The child, who is autistic, was able to point out her attacker.
So when I went upstairs, he was bathing. He locked the bathroom door, started beat down the door and said, "Have you touched my daughter?" I said, "No." I said, "Come out." Him not coming out. So I went to the nurse to get help. And then I went to the next nurse downstairs where my daughter had and called her to attention to it. So they have him, was on the second floor with me and my daughter. So he asked my daughter, "Me touch her?" She said, "Yes, you did." The nurse asked her, she said, "Yes, you did." "Yes, he did," and she's not telling any untruth.
Now the alleged attacker is on the run.
I want to see justice done because him can't go unpunished. And the hospital need to take account for what has happened as well, because she was at the nurse care. So I believe that my child is just not, to me, she's just like not safe at the hospital as well, because they never was watching her. And from the incident happened, they move her up to the nurse's station more so they can watch her. I'm not saying that why they never did that before it all happened.
The matter was reported to the hospital, the police, and the Center for the Investigation of Sexual Offences and Child Abuse, CISOCA.
They find semen because the doctor who operated will find semen inside of her. So they're giving her the pills to prevent everything if the person have disease, anything at all. Because they give me a prescription yesterday to fill the person or the two have to bite out of my pocket. So I bite yesterday, I gave it back to them because they said 73 hours cannot pass without she taking the pill.
When TVJ News contacted the hospital, the chief executive officer confirmed receiving reports about the incident, adding that an investigation is underway.
If you're autistic, sometimes she'd rock, and sometimes she sit by herself and she talk to herself at times. And sometimes she laughed to herself, but if you ask her a question, she can answer it. She can answer it. She can tell you her full statement. That's what if anything happened to her, she can tell me what is it.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.